Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Fi Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Today's video, working on a 2013 Chevy Impala with a 3.6 liter. We're doing a battery replacement. This video should work for, I think, about all the way back to 2005 through 2013. It's the same setup. The first thing we're going to do is spray some PB Blaster. I live in Columbus, Ohio, so literally everything is rusted. Oh yeah, there's a hold down bolt right down there too. Get that bad boy. There we go. All right, let's see. We're going to take this off first. 13 millimeter. There you go. Let's go ahead and pop this cover off here. Slide that to the side. Going to loosen these in here. These are just nuts, it looks like. Yep. Pry that up a little bit. See, we just want it to be able to give us a little bit more room, right? Because this is hard to get out. We got a lot going on here. All right, so you're going to take your negative cable off first. So we got 10 millimeter here. Loosen that up. It might be stuck on there. You might have to move it back and forth a little bit. Get you some PB Blaster in there. All right, so this one was stuck a little bit, so there's a lot of corrosion around it. What you do is put the flathead down in the middle there and separate that. My Lord, let's go. There we go. Look how much corrosion on that side and right there. Jesus. Get all that off there. Look at that. All right, so we got that side off. Now we need to jump down here and take the positive off. This is the 10 millimeter loosened up. This one will come off a little bit easier. There we go. Now, if you look down here, it's a 13 millimeter, holds the battery in. Don't be surprised if that thing breaks. Or a lot of times, the battery you get might be a little bit different. So actually, like this might not go back on. All right, there we go. It took a minute. So it sits in there like this and keeps the battery still. All right, so now we got everything off. We got to wrestle the battery out. See how it goes for us. A lot of people will edit this. And all you'll see is this. You'll see him starting it, and then you'll see him taking it out like it was easy peasy. Let's see how ours is. So usually you want to try to tip it up, this side up first, to get it out of the way. Let's see here. There you go. Flip it just like that, and then you pull straight up out. There you go. Yeah, bad guns, huh? That's what them guns are for, bud. Winded, battery whipped my ass. All right, let's put the new one in. Here we go. Positive's on the right side, so make sure you're putting it in correctly. So here we go. Scoop that back, that under there. Try to just come in here like so. Nice and easy, and just slide it in there. Get these up out of the way. There you go. And it slides into place. Just like that. All right, let's put it back together here. First things first is we're gonna try to see if we can get the battery block still in there. This battery happens to be the exact same size, so it'll go back in perfect. So go ahead and tighten that up right now. 13 millimeter. Now when you're putting it back on, you're gonna put the positive first, the negative last. So get a good bite on it, and it's 10 millimeter. There you go, tighten up. You don't wanna overdo it, strip it out, but make sure it's not moving. All right, come over here to the negative. It was hard to get off, so it might be hard to get it on, so you gotta work on it a little bit. Check it, perfect. Well, my phone got too hot and shut down, but we already had the battery in. I showed you everything. All I did off camera, zip these two 11 millimeters down, put this cap back on, put the bar back on, two 13 millimeters here, 13 millimeter up there. That's it. So if you took it apart, you know how to put it back on. Also, my customer today has a podcast called Clydesdale Media, right? Look that up. And this ain't a paid sponsorship. I usually do them. This one is free, so I think it's my first free one, so that means I really give a shit about it. So go check it out. But anyway, that's your tip of the day from your favorite mobile mechanic. Like we always say, Semper Fi till next time.